made it to a campground at the base of Mount Elbert. The peak is actually on the other side and much higher than that right there. So, yeah, it's a little bit different of an area, a lot more populated. There's a kind of a busy road right here. So, not as isolated, but I kind of needed that change in a way. It may sound, I don't know, whatever, but being 30, 45 minutes to an hour down some dirt road away from anybody else pretty much, or civilization, is kind of isolating. It kind of, or at least it feels isolating. Even if maybe it's not so much, but anyways, I wanted to kind of get back to civilization, so to speak, even though I'm still camping and boondocking in free campsites still. So. It's sprinkling a little bit out there, so we're gonna hang out for a little bit. Let's see what happens when the sun comes up a little bit more. Maybe go for a hike.
I think Bug's ready. He's already been out once this morning. Do you need to go potty? You need to go potty at the end? Okay, just a second.
Lots of condensation in here last night, which happens when it's cold and humid. Cold outside and humid. It's warm in here. Cause these metal pieces to stay cold and collect water, condensate. Good morning from the mountains. It's kind of chilly, misty, rainy, but I see some breaks in the clouds. I think as soon as the sun comes out, it's going to be really nice. So once that happens, I'm going to roll out of here. So that's Mount Elbert. It's covered by the clouds this morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and just back up right there and get the kayak down. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be nice once the sun kind of warms things up a little bit. It's a little chilly, at least for me. What you think? Well, I'm gonna try to let this rain blow over. As soon as I got the kayak down, it started raining a little bit, so if it wasn't so cold, I would probably be out there, but it's 49 degrees right now. I'm used to it being 89. graceful. God, why was that so hard? All right. Let's get out here and see if we can't catch a trout. I think I put the tape measure in here, or is it still in my box? Welcome to Alma, or Alma. According to the sign, this is the highest incorporated town in the United States. Elevation of just over 10,000 feet. I think there might be some rain headed this way. So that definitely looks like a rain cloud for sure. So I found what looks to be a good campsite for tonight. Look who's waiting for me. Protecting the site for me. That's all I can guess. Alright, well, let's pull in here, see if I can't get the trailer kind of level. It doesn't look like there's going to be a super level spot, so just have to make do. I think kind of like right there, honestly, if I just kind of backed right there, that looks like it would be the levelest. So I just put 3 little blocks underneath the back wheels to lift, lift it that way. But pretty much drove all day and been snacking and eating, and I got a cheeseburger from Culver's because I was really craving a cheeseburger after kind of being away from civilization for a while. So got a cheeseburger a couple of hours ago. It was early dinner, late lunch, and then I've been snacking since then. So I'm not going to worry about cooking dinner. I've definitely eaten enough for today. So what I'm going to do now is hang out and watch some South Park. Because, of course, when in Rome.